Mark on the floor of NBAA 2013. It's opening day. Tremendous amount of activity, a lot of enthusiasm. There are people out here that are doing business no matter what the government or the circumstances throw at them. The general aviation and business aviation community are here to stay. But part of the reason we all get into airplanes is to go places and talk to people, but even in the airplanes, we got to talk to people anyway. Yep. What's the latest at True North?
Well, the latest is True North continues to innovate. Last year we introduced our stylus handset, and this year we've introduced our wireless stylus handset, which essentially takes up a lot of the issues with handsets. The batteries go dead in them. They're never in the right place where you want them, but we try to fix a lot of these things. We put intelligent technology in it so that no matter what handset you put in what cradle, it'll automatically program to that. And also, we've taken some of the guesswork out of the battery charging issue by monitoring the signal strength and powering down when the aircraft's not in service, so that when the customer walks onto the airplane, he always has a fresh battery, it's ready to go. And these are some of the things. Really what I think is keeping a lot of companies in business aviation going is innovation. You have to continue to innovate. If you're not innovating, you're going to be dead in a few years. So we've always tried to look at problems uniquely and solve those problems.
Run me through a typical installation, a typical customer. What do they need? What kind of airplanes are involved? How are they utilizing? How much utilization is occurring? And more important, just how much use are they getting and what is happening to their ability to do business?
Well, communication is key to business. I think you brought that up right at the beginning. It's essential that you can communicate and be connected, right? We always talk about our connections and how we are. In a very, very literal sense, being connected on the airplane is critical to business. And so they want to use telephones, they want to use their Blackberries, they want to use their iPhones, they want to use their laptop computers. They essentially want all the connectivity options you have on the ground in the air. What I always say is we help customers take their very expensive transportation device and turn it into more of a productivity tool. We help you be more productive on the airplane in flight.
As I understand, the installation chores are actually pretty minimal.
Absolutely. We've tried to make this as simple as possible so that minimal wiring required, minimal number of boxes. In fact, we have a one-box solution that puts a lot of integration of multiple boxes all over the aircraft into one single LRU unit, and it can be, so there's one place to put it on the airplane, simple wiring and simple installation of the handsets. That's what we strive for.
What's in the future for True North?
It's likely more in the cabin entertainment type of sphere. We start to see that, the critical things are communication, information, but entertainment. Those are the three things that customers always want. If you think of things like Facebook, why they've been so widely popular, is they hit that center spot. Their communication, their information, and their entertainment sources. So really what we're trying to do is build products that meet all three of those things. And that's really the key to our success and our growth in the future.
Mark, we look forward to seeing what you have here next year. But in the meantime, thanks so much.
Thanks, Jim.
Aero TV is brought to you by
the Oracle Engine Monitoring System offers primary replacement for all engine instrumentation. Certified for most piston GA aircraft, the Oracle will soon be certified for fixed-wing turbine and rotorcraft aircraft. Oracle, the best co-pilot you'll ever have.